Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Tasty Tuesday. My name is Maya and today I will be your host. For this episode we will be baking a vegetarian shepherd's pie. We wanted this recipe relatively easy and convenient for the everyday person whilst also baking and healthy. So if you don't know what shepherd's pie is, it kind of consists of two components. You have your bottom meat layer and then on top you have mashed potatoes. Because this recipe is vegetarian, we're going to be subbing meat for mushrooms and also keeping in our other veggies. To make it convenient, we're going to be using frozen mixed vegetables, which most of us have on our freezer, so it's easy to just put together after a long day of work or when you're wanting a quick, simple recipe. As I mentioned, the top layer is mashed potatoes. It's super dumpy and creamy. If you've watched a previous episode, we taught you all how to make a healthier version of mashed potatoes with Greek yogurt. So if you want to pause the video now, go watch that episode so you can start your mashed potatoes and then come back here where we're starting our main sauce. So we're going to start off by chopping our veggies. We're going to try half an onion and then we're going to wash and chop up our mushrooms. Later on we'll add all to a stove where we'll saute the vegetables down. So now that we have the onions, garlic, and mushrooms chopped, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pot, and then we will add the onions and garlic, and we will saute them until golden. So now that we have our mushrooms chopped and ready and our frozen veggies thawed, I'm just going to get some thyme ready. I'm going to add it in with the veggies because they will all go into the pot at the same time. And we can all put it in the pot. So now that our onions and garlic are sauteed, we are going to add in our chopped up mushroom. And also our frozen veggies and thyme. So now that we've got the veggies to cook down a bit more, we're going to add in about 2 different tablespoons of tomato paste. Once that has cooked in, we're going to add in about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of veggie stock. So now that the tomato paste has been cooked in, we're going to add in about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of veggie broth. So now that the veggie stock is added and it's starting to cook down, we're going to add in our seasoning. So we're going to add in some ground pepper, add to your taste. We're going to add in some salt, don't add too much. We're going to add in garlic pepper. And then we're going to let this cook down for about another 10 minutes. So now that the background meat has stewed down, we can start to assemble our vegetarian shepherd's pie. So now that our shepherd's pie is assembled, we're going to pop this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes at 400 degrees. So our vegetarian shepherd's pie is out of the oven, it's cooled down, and now it's time to taste. So vegetarian, so it's healthier, we're upping our veggies for the day, and our mashed potatoes are healthier because they were made with yogurt. That's really, really good. So, looks were a little deceiving. It was still a little hot if you couldn't tell from my first bite. You're going to go for a second bite. The mushrooms, the texture is just like beef, and they just have a way better, fresher taste. The tanginess of the Greek yogurt from the mashed potato really balances out our brown vegetables. This is perfect. This is a great substitute for a meat dish that you can bring, like I said, to an office potluck. family dinner, Thanksgiving, Easter, Christmas, any holiday. This is amazing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you do, comment down below what you love the most about it.